Go ahead. This is the sound the doggies make when there's people at the door. Hey. What the heck are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, and so she's looking to build samples and stuff, or build a portfolio for this, pretty much like I am. She's thinking of doing like almost the same thing I am, but in the art world. Yeah. Which is so funny. But anyway, she's really excited. So I'm gonna help her write her website, and I was telling her about, you know.
Oh, look, he's licking.
They like each other.
Younger, so.
Put Samson's hood on.
Because he's only 2, and I think she had him pretty
For a while.
There you go, buddy. Like that?
Yeah.
Samson, come here. Come here. Over here.
Samson.
Come here. Are you a G? In your velour coat there.
Whoa, there you go. Woohoo! They're all fighting with each other. It's like one gang fight where they're all
against each other.
Yeah, each man for themselves.
You ready for the ball? Hi, Doc. Look who's getting big. Both of you guys are getting so big. I just found some glass jugs. Insert picture here. Scored these awesome beer making jugs from my grandpa. They were sitting in the yard. I had to clean them pretty good. I'm probably going to clean them a couple more times before I use them. Found them at my grandpa's house full of dirt and all this stuff. As you know, I've been brewing beer. I'm going to use these jugs for that. The fact that my grandpa's brings brewing beer to a new level, that's pretty cool. My grandpa was one of the most influential people in my life. So I'm pretty happy about it. Does Bentley have his wovey? Does you guys teddy bear? Does you guys a teddy bear? I got your teddy bear. Jules, your teddy bear. Oh. You guys see the moon? It's barely a sliver, but you can see the whole thing. Remember I showed you the moon a minute ago? It was perfectly clear. 15 minutes later, it is now foggy as all get out. And now the fog's rolling out. I posted a video response for Nulls there. It's called R.E. Amazing Kitten. R.E. Amazing Kitten. If you can, help me out. Go rate it. 5 stars, please. Comment on it, positive. And favorite it. All of these will help me out. Yep. Well, it win a new video security system. I'm most likely not going to use it completely for security purposes. It'd be fun for like pranks and stuff. So if you want to see some good prank videos, you want to help me out, rate, comment, favorite.